evening everybody. Today we are here to determine the absorption rate constant by method of residual. The method of residual is also known as feathering method, stripping method or peeling method. For determining the absorption rate constant, we can introduce the absorption. Absorption is the movement of drug from the site of application to site of measurement. The absorption may be zero order, first order and may be combined or hybrid. For determining absorption rate constant, we use one compartment model. One compartment model, the drug given by extravascular route. The equation comes is equal to this, C is equal to this factor and by exponential. This equation is also known as by exponential equation. On passing the time at which the absorption is completed, at elimination phase, the by second exponential term is reduced to 0. Is reduced to 0 or become 0. Then the equation comes is equal to C is equal to Ka F into X naught divided by Vd into Ka minus K into power of E Kt. Then these all factors are also known as the hybrid constant. Hybrid constant and represented by A. Then the equation comes C is equal to A into power of E minus Kt. By taking logarithm of this equation, the equation gives log C is equal to log A minus Kt divided by 3.30. This equation is used to determine the absorption rate constant or drawing a residual line. From this equation, the log concentration is plotted on semi-log graph paper against the time. Log concentration is taking on y-axis and time on the x-axis. By plotting the data of absorption of drug from the last part of absorption curve is known as elimination phase and the starting term is known as absorption phase. From the elimination phase, we give a straight line. The straight line is back extrapolated to intercept on y-axis. The intercept is also represented by log A. This is also known as the hybrid constant. From this elimination phase, we determine a slope is equal to minus K divided by 2.303. From this slope, we can determine the elimination rate constant. Then the actual data of absorption phase is differentiated from the back extrapolated line and the points on absorption rate constant is extrapolated to intercept on extrapolated line. Then the difference between actual absorption data and extrapolated data will be used to draw a residual line. From the residual line, we determine a slope is equal to minus Ka divided by 2.303. From this slope, we determine the absorption rate constant. For determining the absorption rate constant by residual method, we require assumptions. First assumption is that the absorption rate constant is minimum 5 times greater than the elimination rate constant. Second is the absorption of drug and elimination of drug follows first order kinetics. Then this method is also known as the flip-flop method, if the absorption rate constant is not greater than the elimination rate constant,